Do you think that all industry has left the Niagara region? Nah, you gotta see what they're doing in THOROLD. 100 years ago, Niagara Falls and surrounding cities were full of industry because of the proximity to the Niagara Falls, which created cheap and readily available hydroelectric power. Yeah, that's right. All of this water was turned into electricity, which made Niagara Falls and surrounding areas a great place to have a business. For various reasons that I won't get into here, major industry has been leaving the Niagara region in leaps and bounds over the last 40 years and taking with it a lot of short-line railroad traffic. Hi, today I'm here in THOROLD. Even the people that live in this area are never really sure what to call this place, and that's because it's had so many different names over the last 110 years or so. It started as Ontario Paper Company in 1913, and then some of the other names it's had since then include Quebec and Ontario Pulp and Paper, QUNO. It was acquired by Donahue, and then Abitibi Consolidated, Abitibi Bowater, Resolute Forest Products, and then Bioveld Canada. On this day, the gates are open and we see GIO Railways number 4003 pushing a bunch of tank cars into the plant. This particular switcher, which used to belong to Resolute Forest Products and before that to Canadian National, we're going to call it Bioveld 1305 for lack of another name, and it is extremely difficult to catch. It is very hard to get a good glimpse of it, but it's sporting its new black and green paint scheme. Here is a special feature of this location. These are cat's eye reflective railroad crossing signs, and you should come out and see them while you can because they're older and this is not commonly seen, and who knows how long it'll be until these are possibly replaced. Well, the good news is that instead of allowing this property to rot down to the ground or burn up in mysterious circumstances, instead it's being invested in, and it's going to be producing renewable natural gas and biocarbon from woody biomass. So instead of being pulp and paper, as it's been for the last 100 or so years, it's being made into energy. So, hey, that's great. It's at least good that it's being used again, and there's going to be some more railroad traffic in this area.